Welcome to beautiful Palma de Mallorca, the vibrant capital of Mallorca. In today's walking tour, we'll explore the historic streets of Palma, starting right here at the waterfront, where the Mediterranean breeze and stunning views set the tone for the journey ahead. Palma is known for its mix of ancient history, coastal beauty, and lively city life, making it one of the most popular destinations in Spain. If you're planning to visit, the city is easy to reach via Palma de Mallorca Airport, just about 15 to 20 minutes from the center by car, taxi, or bus. The best time to explore is early morning or late afternoon to avoid crowds and enjoy cooler weather, especially in the summer. As we begin our walk along the front, you'll notice how Palma blends old and new, with scenic walkways and historic structures all around. Along the way, we'll pass through Es Foner, a lesser-known local area that gives a glimpse into everyday life beyond the main tourist spots. From there, we'll head toward the peaceful gardens of L'Hort del Rei, once the royal kitchen garden and now a relaxing oasis filled with fountains, palm trees, and shaded paths, perfect for a quick break from the city buzz. Next, we'll step into history at the Palau Reial de Medina, a former Islamic fortress turned royal residence that still serves the Spanish monarchy today. Its location right beside the sea and next to the cathedral makes it one of the most iconic views in Palma. Just a few steps away stands the breathtaking Cathedral-Basilica of Santa María of Mallorca. This massive Gothic cathedral dates back to the 13th century and features one of the largest rose windows in the world, an absolute must-see for visitors. From here, we'll continue our walk along Carrer del Palau Reial, one of the most charming streets in the Old Town, lined with historic buildings, small shops, and cafes. Our walk will lead us to the heart of Palma at the famous Olivera de Cort, a 600-year-old olive tree that symbolizes peace and the island's deep-rooted Mediterranean heritage. Located in front of the City Hall, it's a popular meeting point and a meaningful landmark that connects Palma's past with its present. Throughout this walk, expect a mix of stunning architecture, hidden corners, local culture, and postcard-worthy views at every turn. Whether you're visiting for the first time or just exploring from home, this tour will give you a true feel for the charm and history of Palma. Let's get started.
Right? Windows and the balcony out there. Well, the windows. The balcony is one of in summertime. The royal
Anything you have here. I'll send those to you guys.
Oh, I need photos for the Instagram video. I know. I start taking photos on the balcony.
Good. I'm real bad about it.
I mean, you take each other's photos. All our graduation photos, you can be like from like 3. Cool.
Through a medication. What? Vale, con sí. I'm trying. I'm in it like I'm on this rocks.
It's a car.
How would you rate them on the outside?
I like it as well. I like No lo llame, búsquese la vida.
No, no.
En verano.
So again, please your attention. Attention everybody, please listen. This is here the front area. See, let's sit. And attend to the video. Are we going to next
Thanks so much for joining me on this walking tour through the beautiful streets of Palma de Mallorca. I really appreciate your time and support. If you enjoyed exploring landmarks like the Cathedral-Basilica of Santa Maria of Mallorca and the Palau Reial de Almudena, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow along for more walking tours. See you in the next adventure.